Transform any space in just 11 minutes with C-Max Foldable Mobile Housing, where innovation meets practicality. C-Max units revolutionize temporary housing with a tool-free assembly process that takes just 11 minutes. Whether you're setting up a clinic, a shelter, or a cozy campsite, these units simplify setup without sacrificing strength or safety. From a compact 3-foot storage profile to a spacious 14-foot living area, these units comfortably sleep up to 8 people. High, 7-foot ceilings and cross-ventilation ensure a roomy and breathable environment, perfect for any setting. C-Max units are versatile. Use them as mobile clinics in remote areas, emergency shelters during disasters, or luxury campsites for your outdoor adventures. They're designed to withstand strong winds and feature a raised, rigid floor to prevent collapse. Worried about uneven terrain? Each unit's telescopic legs adjust independently, making installation feasible on virtually any surface. These adaptive features ensure that C-Max units can be deployed quickly and safely, regardless of location challenges. For every 10 units sold, C-Max donates 1 to humanitarian efforts, supporting communities in crisis around the world. What do you think of this foldable mobile housing system?